Hey guys, my name's Tay from Financial Tortoise, and here I want to talk to you about 3 insurances that you really shouldn't buy. Number 1 is extended warranties or service contracts. When you've ever purchased a large refrigerator or microwave at a big retail store, oftentimes the salespeople have pushed on these extended warranties or service contracts upon you. They've talked about how good these deals are, and if you try to fix it yourself, it would cost you thousands of dollars out of pocket. If you're caught off guard, it makes you think for a bit. Protect my $1,000 purchase with this $20 extended warranty? It could make sense. But I want to tell you, don't get intimidated by their sales tactic. Most oftentimes, these are a really bad deal for you. It only benefits the retail store. The companies will never share their numbers, but these service contracts are ridiculous profit centers for them. Most appliances like refrigerator, microwaves, or even your computers, they last so long that most people who've purchased these extended warranties have forgotten that they've got them in the first place. Most people don't know this, but a lot of these purchases already include a 1-year warranty that comes with the manufacturer. And in a very rare case that your appliance stops working within its first year, you're better just to pay out of pocket or buy a new one. Number 2 insurance that you shouldn't purchase: rental car collision insurance. If you ever rented a car, you're probably asked if you want to purchase the loss damage waiver. This is just a fancy name for collision car insurance. You should decline because most oftentimes you already have collision coverage without you even knowing it. Now, 2 common sources. If you've ever rented your car with a credit card, your credit card agreement automatically protects you with collision coverage. Make sure you read the fine prints to confirm, but this is one of the reasons why I use my Chase Reserve for all my car rental. A second common source for collision coverage is your current car insurance. If you already have collision coverage at your car at home, it oftentimes extends to rentals. I didn't even realize this until my car insurance company told me this. Now make sure you call and verify, but this is another reason why you shouldn't pay for additional coverage. Third, insurance that you don't need, and my favorite, smartphone insurance. You see this being sold to you whenever you're about to upgrade your phone or you're about to buy a new phone. And given how expensive phones have gotten these days, it does make you think for a bit. Most recently, when I was upgrading my wife's phone, they were selling this for about $8 a month. And for just $8 a month, you might think it's a steal, right? To protect my $1,000 phone. And I've seen most carriers charge anywhere between $5 to $10 for these products. However, like the other insurances that you shouldn't buy, check yourself. You might think $10 a month is nothing to protect my $1,000 phone. However, a lot of times what we don't do is annualize these costs. That $10 over a span of 2 years is actually $240. And oftentimes you have to pay a deductible of up to about $100 before the repair company will do anything. And given how quickly phone depreciates, do you want to spend $300 on a phone that's probably not even worth that much? Just to give you guys an example, I just recently sold my wife's iPhone 6s that I bought for $600 about 2 years ago for less than $70 recently. That's slightly more than 10% of the original price. You're just better off investing in a good phone case. My family, we use a Spigen, but anything will do. It's pretty cheap these days. Thanks guys for watching the video. Let me know if you agree with my list of insurance that you shouldn't buy. If you liked the video, please hit like or subscribe to my channel. Thank you.